Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. So guys, pray that you all are doing well. So guys, I'm not a fan of goat meat or goat soup. But boy guys, my brother-in-law makes some soup, you see. Some goat head soup with dumpling, potato, corn, carrots, pumpkin. Guys, I'm not a fan of soup, red meat soup. I'm not a fan of goat. But guys, this soup here was so good, guys. I couldn't help myself. Me, as much as I don't like goat soup or I don't like goat, guys, I drink some of that soup here. Look at it, guys. Nice and rich, guys. Guys, look at this dumpling. You have dumpling in there, you have yam, you have either old potato, you have carrot, seasoned up with some cock soup, grace cock soup, scallion, and all them nice stuff that you can put in your soup, guys. Look at that, guys. Guys, I really enjoy this soup. I just put some pepper in it and me good. Look at that, guys. Nice goated soup. As I said, I'm not a fan of a goat, but guys, I couldn't let this soup here miss me. It's too good. This